We're here for the third event of the B League. The final marathon is back. We will not show the standings because there was an error that we made. We'll make sure to show the events, the standings next event. See, all the Showdown teams are here. And we're about to find out who will win this event. You know how it works. Don't be a stranger. And we are off. Okay, everyone. Well, we do have a DNF. Couple actually. 1 mile off the track. 2 miles off the track. And Atlantics will take it. What will be the other placements? Night Fighters will finish dead last. The cameraman is getting all the marbles that leaped off the track. That is everyone we know. Balls of chaos! Hold on, everyone. So you have to do this again. Here we go. We are just going to determine the rest of the placements. So these are going to determine the rest of the placements. There was one other marble that leaped the track, but we don't know where that marble went to. So, Balls of Chaos has been disqualified. We're here. Sorry if this is not going the way you want it to go. We promise the next B League event will be way more better. So here we go, race 2. We're off, oh galaxies! They're off. So they won't compete for the rest of the event. Anyone else? Doesn't look like it. Let's see everyone. Is up. And Team Blah will win it. Here we did it. Oh, Rosethorn! What a comeback! That's probably one of the best comebacks I've ever seen. But so far, it looks like Team Blah and Atlantics. In this moment of time. Here we go, last race. of the season, of the event. Who will win it? Watch out for Atlantic and Team Black. Oh, Atlantic, we're there. And off we go. Here's the closing. Oh, Team Black right there. Is that Team Black? I don't know. Who won it? Tree Trunks. Where's Team Black? There they are. Oh, they got caught out. Nope. Atlantics will get there last. But we got our podium. Team Blah, Atlantics and the Tree Trunks have captured the podium here today. After we start filming, we'll be going and chasing for the other team that leaped off the track. But until then, we'll see if the bobsled up next. Let's see how the rest of the season will go.